Well, here's the garden. Let's go have a look. Well, look what we've got here. Yet another tromboncino squash. Oh, gotta love it. Gotta love it. Morning, guys. Okay, the bed off from the deck. Everything is doing well still. It's good to see that the Tabasco peppers are actually starting to form and get bigger and bigger. And looky what we have here. The sunflower opened. The cucumbers are coming to the end of their life. Starting to die out a little bit. The green beans are still producing quite well. Well, I think it's time to pull out the zucchini plants. Doesn't look like they're gonna make it. Their season is finally over. Although we still have one coming on here. That's zucchini. No, we've had zucchini. See, in the garden, and you're eating a yummy bag of potato chips. Is it good? Well, we all love deep fried grease, I guess. Tell you what, let's walk up this way. Looks like it's time to harvest the 2 acorn squash on these plants. Looks like I have a couple more tomatoes to harvest, although it looks like something's got into this one. Look at this behemoth. That's a big one. Looks like I have plenty more cherry tomatoes to harvest. Still have plenty of okra. To harvest. And look at this. Jalapenos are turning red. Look at what we have here. Looks like a muskmelon. All right, big girl. I see there's a melon harvest there. I think that's a honeydew. Go ahead, pick it up. Looks like it fell right off the vine. Let me see that.
It's prickly a little bit.
It is?
It's hairy.
There's a little critter on it.
Where?
Does it look good?
Yep.
Let's smell it. Give it the smell test. Does it smell good?
Yeah. It kind of smells like nothing.
Well, cucamelon. There's another one over on the other side of the fence there. We're going to have to go around and get that. It looks like the morning glories have invaded the sweet potato beds. I'll be doing a harvest on that probably another week or two. Looks like I'm gonna get at least a couple of pickling cucumbers out of these late plants. Thumbs up on that. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. I think it's one of those Tahitian melons, those giant. We got the tromboncino squash next to it. And this is just giant. But look what it did. That's my trellis. Get on this side so you can see it. Did have a trellis going up and over to the other side here, but the weight of that thing just brought it right down. I guess we'll do a little stronger support system next year, huh? Yep. More trombone squash. Pumpkin patch is starting to die out. So we'll be harvesting pumpkins here pretty soon, I would imagine. I don't want the critters to get to them. Pumpkin down there. Okay, where's my state fair winner? There it is. Well, at least it'll be easier to carry. And the other one looks like it's dying out. A couple of beautiful sunflowers. Squash everywhere. Yes, you can grow squash in the grass. And here's the other state winner. That's a lot bigger than the other one. It'll still be easy to transport, which is a good thing. Pickling cucumbers that I planted over here. Oh, look at that. I didn't even see that in there last week. There's another little guy in there. Nice. What about the zucchinis? Are we gonna get any zucchini from these three plants? It's not looking good. Digging more holes, Poop? Carrots. Oh. Yeah, we got carrots. It'll be interesting to see when we harvest those what we get, because I didn't thin them out this year. And the arch trellis is still doing good. It's starting to die back. More trombone squash. Still producing. And a couple of sugar baby watermelons. They're probably ready to harvest. Peppers in the straw bales are doing very, very well still. And then the new bed with the 2 zucchinis and the strawberries. And we got one there. Got one there. and the strawberries are coming along nicely for next year. Hoo-ah. Look out, Poop. Look out, buddy. Look out now. Hi, guys. Duke. Your face is looking like you got into something again. Okay, well, there's the update. It looks like I'll be tearing a lot of things out this coming week. And yeah, season's coming to an end. We got a couple things in, you know, planted in the ground like right now. Sugar snap peas, you know, some carrots. Fall weather things, not too much. So we'll be ripping some plants out here, throwing them in the compost, and thinking about next year's garden. All right, I'd appreciate it if you could like, share, comment, and please subscribe if you found any enjoyment in this video whatsoever. I do appreciate it. Thank you very much. God bless everybody. Bye. Hey, we'd love to hear from you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Bye.